Hey everybody, just got my replacement Alco FA from Model Train Stuff. They are really good about replacing the one that ran really jerkily and balkily. So, okay, let's give this a test. Cross your fingers and toes. This is an Atlas master line. Okay. Okay, that's 100% better than the first one I got. You see I've been doing a lot of videos. I got stuff laying everywhere. That looks nice. We'll take a look at it. I've got the matching B unit. The B unit worked just fine. If I remember right, looking this unit up, 859 actually lasted long enough to get a Burlington Northern number, but I don't think it ever made it into BN paint. But this would have worked up into 70, 71 or so. So far, so good. We'll make a video later on. Yep. Granddaughter likes it too. We'll talk to you in a little while.